got it wrong. Bump and grind in the night, looking for greater signs. Physical, logical, detrimental with no lies. Superstition, ammunition, sparks another path. Craft a little